This is a 2009 Lexus RX350, and we're going to be addressing a relatively minor repair today, but it's an important one and you might be interested in doing it on your car. The repair we're going to do is the latch for one of the deck lids. Let me show you what it is. So this is one of the deck lids right here. It's supposed to close and stay closed. This is the second deck lid. In Toyota nomenclature, it's also called the deck board. Now this one is working correctly. It has a button here that activates a latch, and when you press the button it releases the latch. Now what happened on this side is the latch became stuck, and the only way to get this to open was basically to break it. So we have to replace the latch that's inside here. And in case you didn't know, this is where you have access to your spare tire release bolt right here. It's under this cover. And I've removed the carpeting to show you that there's a second deck board back here, or deck lid, with another storage compartment that has all the roadside emergency tools in it. Now back to the repair we're doing today. This is the latch. And it's the same on both sides, right and left. And I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's not that difficult. So the first thing we want to do is actually remove this black storage tray that's the entire width of the rear. And I've got the cover for the storage compartment, the roll-up cover, stored in here. So we'll take those both out. This comes out without too much resistance. It may have some little retainers, plastic retainers, holding it down. We just take those off. Now, this entire plastic trim piece can come off. It has one plastic retainer on either end that can be popped out. With the end retainers taken out, this pops right off and can be removed. Now we have access to both latches. This is the button that retracts the locking latch, and on this one we actually had to break it by pressing it down, and it no longer works. So we're going to remove this piece and replace it. All that's required for removing this piece is one 10mm bolt. It's right down here on the bottom side of the piece, and it loosens up pretty easily. And here's the bolt and the latch mechanism. This is the piece I just removed. This is the new piece, and I will include this part number. This part number will be in the video description, and I'll try to include a link where you can purchase one of these if you need it. This is bolted back in place, and in order to test it I just have to put the plastic trim piece back on. You can see that pushing the button now retracts the latch, and if I close this deck lid and I press the button, it immediately releases. So we're basically done. All I have to do is put the little plastic retainers back in place and put the storage tray back in, and we're good to go. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. It just helps you with keeping your Lexus RX350 in tip-top shape. Bonus post-credit footage. I'm perturbed about these stains on the interior carpet. I'm going to use this carpeting and upholstery cleaner and this brush to work them out. And this is how you do it, folks.